Look here. I know you want to figure out how you can make some extra money. I know you do. So I'm gonna tell you how you can make some extra money, but you got to be patient and you just got to listen to this video. This video only gonna be about 8 to 10 minutes long, but around somewhere between the 2 and 3 minute mark, I'll tell you how to make some extra money. All right. So let me say this. Welcome to the Garage, hosted by myself and my spirited sidekick friend right here named Bone. This channel is your go-to for truth, practical advice, and empowering knowledge, all delivered with a little humor. Me and Bone bring a wealth of wisdom and credibility, and Bone tries to keep things lively. We break down complex ideas into simple, actionable steps with a little bit of laughter along the way. Whether you're looking for some self-improvement tips or some life-changing insights, we got you covered. So let's talk. And yes, I'm gonna tell you how to make some extra money. Just be patient. And if you're wondering why Bone got on this special helmet, because he's slow right now. So he just slow. He wearing this special helmet because he been slow lately. Um, really? Oh, okay. Don't back to you. Back to you. Anyway. But yes, that threw me off. But yes, I'm gonna tell you how to make some money. But first I gotta talk about 811. Look, 811 is a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you did. And you're probably wondering what is the importance of calling 811? Well, actually, it is the law to call 811. Yes, it is. It is the law to call before you did. And besides that, the reasons why you call 811 is to find out where your underground utilities are, such as your gas line, not, yeah, your underground utility, your gas line. You need to find out where your electrical line is, your water line, um, phone line, that stuff. That's why you call 811. Some of the things that can happen if you don't call 811, you can cause utility damages. You can cause service interruptions. You can cause, yeah, service interruptions, service outages. Shoot, you can cause death. Yeah, you can die from hitting a utility line. So it's serious. So, but I got an idea for you. If you're confused about 811 or underground utilities, you can reach out to a company called Ground Vision. That's right. You can email Ground Vision and they will answer any questions you have about underground utilities. That's right. Ground Vision email address is groundvisioninc@gmail.com. Again, I'm going to say it. That is groundvisioninc@gmail.com. And yes, I'm going to spell it. It is GroundVisioninc@gmail.com. Ground Vision Inc. @gmail.com. So email them any questions you have regarding underground utilities and they will respond back to you ASAP. Now, let's talk about the money. I know you want to talk about the money. You ready to talk about the money, man? Oh, you see, even he want to talk about the money. All right. So I'm gonna tell you how you can make some extra money. And listen, please. Yes, I'm gonna tell you that you can make some extra money. One of the ways you can make some extra money is by getting a virtual dispensary. That's right. Just get a virtual dispensary. And you're probably wondering, well, what is a virtual dispensary? Look, I'm gonna just tell you some of the basics because you're gonna have to do your part. But before I tell you some of the, some of the not basics, but the advantages of owning a virtual dispensary, I'm gonna also tell you the advantages of being a customer if you want to purchase from a virtual dispensary. Look, one of the advantages of being a customer of a virtual dispensary is you can order 24 hours, 7 days a week, anytime. That's right. You can order 24 hours, 7 days a week, anytime from anywhere. I don't care where you're at. You could be at home. You could be at work. You can be at a friend's house. Heck, you can be at church listening to the pastor preach his sermon, and you can sit there and order some product while you in the congregation. Oh, you heard that, huh? Yeah, you can order from anywhere at any time. And the great thing is you can send it anywhere. You can send it anywhere in the United States and other countries. So you can send this as a gift. Think about that. You can send this as a gift. Another advantage of being in the virtual dispensary, not being in it, but being a customer, is there is no face-to-face interaction. No face-to-face interaction. So if you're a teacher, you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, you're a politician, or you just that regular mom who you just don't want people knowing you like to get high or however whatever you want to call it. There, guess what? You don't have to worry about that. No face-to-face interaction. All right, let's talk about being a owner of a virtual dispensary. I'm a owner of a virtual dispensary. Bone right here, he acts more like a customer, but to each his own. To each his own. So, one of the advantages of owning a virtual dispensary is there is no overhead costs. There's no overhead costs. Think about that. There's no utilities, no rent, no water bill, no electrical bill. You don't have to pay any employees. You're not paying for security. Think about that. No overhead costs. You can't beat that. Another advantage is I call it increased reach. See, when you have a store, generally you only sell to people who are either passing by or people who live in the area. With a virtual dispensary, you get the increased reach. People can buy your products from all over the world. Think about that. People can buy your products from all over the world. Increased reach. And another thing I was forgetting to say is by being a virtual dispensary owner, think about this. You can live anywhere and just say you move from one state to another state. It just goes right with you. You can move to another country and still keep your virtual dispensary. Think about that. You can move anywhere, live in any country, and keep having your virtual dispensary. You can't beat that. Come on now, wake up. Wake up, people. You can't beat, yeah, you even know that. But yeah, I'm just saying. So now that I've told you all of this, let me just make this easy. If you want to get into this business as a if you want to into the virtual dispensary, what you got to do is you got to email Bone. That's right. You got to email Bone. Got to make sure you know 18 and you a real person and all that. But for real, you got to that's all you got to do is email Bone. You're going to email Bone at thegorage@gmail.com. That is thegorage@gmail.com. And let me spell it to you because it doesn't spell like you probably think it does. The correct way to spell the email address is TheGorauge. I'm going to say it again. TheGorauge, and that is thegorage@gmail.com. So you email Bone, and guess what? He'll reply, take care of you. And guess what? Within real quick, you will be the owner of your own virtual dispensary. So he looks forward to hearing from you. How y'all think he looked with his special helmet on? Just tell me how y'all think he looked. Oh, that again? Whatever, whatever. Anybody got time for that? Anyway. So, um, moving on, we're going to talk about the table of truth. And today, I don't know who we bringing to the table of truth. I forgot who we was bringing to the table of truth, to be honest with you. So you know what? We just gonna skip the table of truth. Bone, he has his health tips to die by, and he says well, I'm gonna just tell you, these are some of Bone's health tips to die by. Um, I know one of them he told me is skip calcium, drink soda instead of milk, and just ignore leafy greens. That was what he said. Then the other one he said was avoid the sun. Who needs the sun? Who needs vitamin D? I guess he was saying, but these are some of Bones' health tips. Another one was sleep. Who needs sleep? Skip sleep, party hard, and function on caffeine all day. Yeah. But anyway, don't listen to Bones' health tips because remember, they're to die by. Um, but anyway, the last thing we're gonna get into is what we call let's help each other, and it's easy. It's easy. This is called let's help each other, and this is how we help each other. You're gonna send an email to thegoraj@gmail.com. You're gonna send an email, and you're gonna tell in the email what it is you're selling, what it is you're trying to promote, um, just whatever it is, whatever business you have, and we're going to talk about it right here on this channel. That's how we're going to help you. And in return, the way you're going to help us is you can like this channel, you can subscribe, or if you don't want to do neither one of those, at least tell somebody about the channel. Um, but yeah, that's what we call let's help each other. All right, I'm gonna get up out of here. Um, I guess I'll see y'all next time. You got something you gonna say, Bone? He ain't saying nothing, y'all. We gone.